Hi guys, welcome back to SRE. Just wanted to show you guys, I'm pretty much 90% there on this Brovan. Now it's, again, it's got a bigger crankshaft, 33 millimeter stroke. It's it's got an ADA cylinder head. It's got lightweight piston. The piston has been windowed. The edges have been tapered. Stress relieved around the top for anti-seizure. We had to trench the cases to clear that big crankshaft. Stress riser had been moved from the side of the connecting rod. Basically, that just means polishing the rod. As far as the porting goes, we had to pick the cylinder up quite a bit because of the increase in stroke. And because the ports are open ports, in other words, there's no wall in the cylinder, which you guys are well aware of, you're able to, when you pick up the cylinder, not only are you able to raise the entire port map, but you're also able to create bigger transfer ports and boost port, so the engine will see more transfer and boost port. Cases are together. I put one of my springs on it, big spring, so it'll come in a little later for him, a little harder. He did all this drilling. He had already done this. Very nice work he did. I used this and made it so it still would direct the airflow from the fan over the cooling head. But this ADA head and dome makes a huge difference rather than that terrible combustion chamber shape and the spark plug coming in from the side. Just a much hotter setup. The only thing I'm waiting for, I just had to order them from DDM. I was out of pulse mod nipples to pulse mod his carb and the case. The machine work's done, but I just got to get the nipple so I can just thread it in with Loctite and tighten it down. Then I'm set. So should be good. I had to notch the case there to clear because the head's so big to clear the wire. So quite a bit of little tedious work, but a very nice piece. I think he's going to be very happy with it. I wish I could make a sticker that said 47cc for him. But so we're almost there. And I just wanted you guys to see it. I believe it is a first. I don't believe anyone has ever done this before to a Brovan. Not only full mod, but ADA head and a custom stroker crankshaft. I don't believe that's been done. I'm pretty happy with how it's coming out. I hope the gentleman is happy with it. I hope he sees this video and likes it. Okay. All right. This is Wade from SRE, and I'm out.